If you're tired of the default apps in your Windows 11 PC, I'm going to show you 10 alternatives that could help you replace it. Now, this is a list I'm going to take from windowscentrals.com. It's pretty similar to what I have on my own opinion as well, so it'll be about 11 to 12 of my opinion. Now, the first one is files. Now, I actually have files installed, right? Instead of the normal Windows Explorer like this, we can get a more modernized version of the Explorer, and it's called Files. It's called the Files app usually, and I have this installed on my own personal laptop, and I say it's pretty good, right? Another thing is called 7-Zip. I also personally use this myself. I think it's much better than WinRAR. I think it's much more dynamic and it's much more robust as well. Another one is called Notepad++. I use this as well to edit my code as well. This could help with editing metadata, if you know what kind of things those are. If you want to download Notepad++, all of these are free, by the way. All of these are open source as well, I'm pretty sure. If you want to download any of these, you just have to Google their name, and usually the download is the first thing that comes up. So for example, Notepad++, there you go. This is the website called Notepad++. You can see, I'll just check my browser. While it checks my browser, let me move on to another file first. Another one is called Sumatra PDF. Now you can see this is a double click any PDF document and it'll open on Microsoft Edge, right? So if we double click on any PDF, automatically on any default Windows computer, it'll open up Edge. But with Sumatra PDF, it's a free suitable replacement for the default PDF viewer, and you can render experience available on Windows 11. Again, if you want to download, just search up the name. All of it are free as well. Let me just verify it real quick as well. You can see this is what it looks like. Now you can see Notepad++ is a replacement to the Notepad file on Windows, but this one is called Notepad++. It's also an IDE as well, right? So you can edit code with it if you know what you're doing. Now, of course, I'm going to continue now to Thunderbird. Now, Thunderbird is a replacement to the Outlook app if you're into that. Another one, of course, is also VLC. I use this personally as well. The Windows Media Player is the default one for Windows, and I think it's pretty bad. So VLC is a much better alternative to this. Again, all of these are free. If you want to download, just search it up, VLC, just like this. And you can see the VLC official site, it's like this, right? And for VLC, you can play all of the videos. Meanwhile, on Windows Media Player, sometimes you need to buy new codecs for it to be able to play any videos, right? For example, I think Windows Media Player charges you if you want to play a video with an H.265 codec. Meanwhile, VLC is completely free. Another one is, of course, Audacity. This is a pretty common editing software for audios. I'm pretty sure most of you know what this is. There's also something called Screenshot as well. This is a replacement for, I think it's a screenshot software, right? So yeah, it's a Windows key plus print screen or Windows key plus FN spacebar keyboard shortcut on the snipping tool. So this will be a replacement for that. And of course, there's also a fast tone image viewer here. So it'll replace your media viewer on Windows 11. There's also Paint.net. So if you don't like the default Paint software on Windows, of course, I'm pretty sure a lot of people uses this in their childhood. But if you want something more advanced, of course, there's something called Paint.net. There's also Simple Weather. So if you don't like the default weather here on the taskbar, you can change it to Simple Weather here. There's also Brave here, right? So Brave. Brave is a software, so it'll replace Chrome, right? And Brave is usually the most popular item here on this list because Brave is a browser that really puts you first, right? It's very, very, very focused on privacy. So you can block ads, save data, and get way faster web pages just by switching your browser. It's a private search, it has a built-in AI assistant, and it has free VPN too, I think. So, if you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.